Construction sites change constantly, making consistent documentation and a good information flow the key to completing any project successfully. While manual measurement and data capture are still widely used, inaccessible terrain and moving machinery bring risks. Recent innovations bring new tools to take construction into the digital age. Leica Geosystems' new aerial survey solution for construction, the Leica Aibot CX, turns data into information, giving you a new perspective of your construction site. Site progress documentation, job quality assessments, and resource tracking can now be captured, stored, and analyzed digitally, providing one data source for all stakeholders. Easy setup and flight planning helps to record images autonomously according to planned waypoints, generating precise orthophotos, point clouds, and 3D models. The built-in GNSS antenna geo-references data for the most accurate progress documentation, mass calculations, and stockpile measurements. Leica Aibot CX is fully integrated into the powerful Leica Infinity workflow, guiding you through the project lifecycle with your existing survey equipment, such as total stations and RTK rovers.
The new version of Infinity includes brand new features for UAV processing. The users can now generate dense point clouds and orthophotos from images.
Regularly capture, store, analyze and manage every detail of your construction site to provide intelligent information for intelligent decision-making.